the difference between a decorative border punch and a frame punch is with Creative Memories? Now I'm going to show you the difference. So this is the frame punch. This one's the Damask frame punch. And what this means is you can go all the way around your paper and it comes out evenly. So with our punches, you're going to unlock them. And then normally we're looking at the black lines here. To actually punch the frame, we're going to use the silver line here. All right, I've already cut out 2 pieces of paper that are 6 by 6. And you're going to line your paper up with the silver, ignoring the black lines in the front, which we've shown you other ways. And then you're going to move this over until that's covered up, till the blue is covered up, and punch again. Now on the 6 by 6, you're only doing it twice. Then you're going to turn it around and line up that paper again with the silver line and then cover it up. If you're off just a tiny little bit, you're going to have that. You're going to turn it again. Do it twice. And see, this time it came off. So just move that over. Do it again. And now you have a frame. So I've got a couple here that I've already cut just to show you the difference. If you're using decorative paper or cardstock, you can do some fun things with them, mixing and matching them. You can put pictures in the middle. You can put a title in the middle, whatever you want to do. Or this isn't as dramatic as I would like it to be, but you also could use that as your border and put it on a corner or make a couple of them going down. So that's using a 6 by 6 piece of paper. Now I'm going to show you the frame using a 12 by 12. Same thing. We are going to line up with the silver, but instead of making 2 punches, there's 2, 3, 4, 5, and then we're going to turn it. So same thing, line up the paper again. And now you have a beautiful decorative sheet, and you wouldn't have to do anything else on that if you wanted to. That could be your page, and you could put your photos on top of that. And look how beautiful that is. That could be all you do to decorate that page if that's all you wanted to do. The other beautiful thing about the frame punch is you can do just a 12-inch border, doing exactly like we did, but this time we are going to use the black lines. Oops, still got a piece of that in there. So same thing, start at the black line and cover it up and go. And now you have a pretty border to put on your page. So they're very simple, but I just wanted to show you that's the difference between the decorative border punch and the frame punch with Creative Memories.